Another skill that you might want to know how to do is how to annotate or write on top of a PDF. So here I've just scanned in a PDF from one of our books, and I opened it up in Google Drive. And when you open up a PDF in Google Drive, you have this option right up here called Open With. And so I click on Open With, and one of the options that are going to be here for you is this tool called XODO PDF Reader and Annotator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it, and it is going to pull up, or it should pull up in one of these sign-ins. Make sure that this is your ID number, and it's just going to ask, can I work with your Google Drive? I'm going to click on Allow. Now that XODO has my PDF open, I can see a few things. On the left-hand side, you can see that here is where all of my pages on my PDF are going to be. Now my PDF is just pictures of books. But if it was a true PDF with words, I would have all the pages over here with the text appearing right here. Now, two really important tools that are going to be really helpful for you as a student are going to be found in this section. The very first tool is going to be this freehand tool. So if I click on the freehand tool, this is the tool that allows me to circle things or make shapes or indicate an arrow by drawing. Now I can't edit what these look like. This actually was just the color and text that I used on my last using of a PDF. But if I want to change that, I'm going to click on the select tool, and I click on my image, and I click on style. So I can change the color of it all. I can make it thinner or thicker. And I can even go into advanced and change the thickness this way, the different colors, and what's called the opacity, or how transparent it is. The other tool that's going to be really important is this T with a little I. This is a free text tool. So when I click on the free text tool, I'm going to click, and I get an insert text here. I can type in my answer right here, and if I did want to move it, maybe I typed it in the wrong spot, but these are the right words, I can take my text and move it anywhere I want to on my page. Now if I click on this little arrow, I do have more tools. I can get underlined text and squiggly underlines. I can get lines. I could draw a line, which might be important as well. And I can also draw shapes. I can do rectangles and circles or squares. Once you're done, I'm going to click not on save, but I'm going to click this little down arrow and make sure I click on save as Google Drive. Sometimes this is the little computer, sometimes it's Google Drive. You want to make sure you save it to Google Drive. So I click on save with the Google Drive symbol. It says that it's saving to Google Drive. Takes a few minutes, a few seconds. And now I get this message that says successfully uploaded to Google Drive. And I'm going to go back to my Google Drive and go back to my original document. Now it's not going to save a copy of it. This is actually going to save to the document that I opened. And you see here that here is the images that I did, as well as the text and my little squares and rectangles. Hope that helps you using XODO. Have a great day, everyone.